Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to switch back to classic view on Scotia Online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar type in scotiabank.com, and once the page opens, what you need to do is log into your account. And once you log into your account, you'll be landing on something like this on your screen. Now this is the latest version of the Scotia Bank, and here you can see there are multiple options located right there for your convenience. So basically it looks like what you use it on your mobile device. Now you want to switch it to the classic view. Then what you need to do is head over to the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three horizontal bar, and then you'll be seeing this drop down menu, and among them you'll be seeing a bunch of options. Tap on go back to classic view, and once you tap on that, you'll be directed to the classic view of the Scotia Bank. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.